Why do people think picky eaters are childish? If you look up picky eater, it's gonna be a bunch of pictures of kids. Even Googling it says it's often a child who shows this behavior. But picky eating or selective eating is not rare in adults at all. And we've known this for years and years. A study done 20 years ago that asked 489 people if they were a picky eater or not found that 64% of adults restrict themselves to 10 foods or less. 25% of adults restrict themselves to 1 or 2 major food groups only. 48% report that they just do not like to try new foods at all. That's incredibly common. The statistics there show that the person sitting next to you is a picky eater. But we treat it like only kids are picky eaters. But if you're a picky eater like this, it's gotta be kind of annoying. If that's you, I'm creating an army of picky eaters for a special project. Follow me if you want to be included.